Miss Lisa, it's time for math first. At this time, I saw from your LP, you will have two um, two topic over here. The first one is about the addition of fraction and also subtract fraction on page 217 until 220. 224
Yes.
to finish chapter 15. Okay,
Yes.
please tell me from the maybe since setting until the activity that you will give. Thank you.
Okay, so for next week, I will teach about adding fraction and subtracting fraction. This is the continue lesson from the previous one. The previous one is learn about the fraction. So this time, I want to make sure they do understand about numerator and denominator. The sense setting, I will give the example.
Why it's very small?
I have quarter. So this one called numerator, this one called denominator. Because some of the students get confused to differentiate, to place the difference between numerator and denominator. That's why I want to make sure all of them understand which one is the numerator and denominator. In bahasa we can say pembilang dan penyebut. Okay, so this one is numerator and this one is denominator. I will call 2 or 3 students to come in front of the class, and then they will give the example, and then they will tell me which one is the numerator and which one is the denominator. As the proofs, I will use a simple paper. This one. Okay, this one we call a whole or 1 unit. And this paper I will cut into 4 equal parts. So this 4 equal part is 1 unit or whole unit. I will take one piece of paper. So this is a quarter, 1 part. This is quarter. And then I will take another one, a quarter also. So this quarter plus quarter become half unit. It means that 2/4, 1/4 plus 1/4 become 2/4. So if I plus 2/4 and then 2/4 become 4/4 or 1 whole, become 1 unit. So this is very easy. For example, I have quarter plus quarter. This is become 2/4 or 2/4. If there are 2 same denominator, we just directly write the denominator. We don't have to change it. What we have to see only the numerator. This 1 and 1 become 2. How about another example is okay. For example, I have a piece of paper.
Change the color, not
Change.
red. Not good. This one.
For example, I have a piece of paper and I will cut into 6 parts. Okay, so this is a whole unit. I will color with 1. I will color 1 part. So 1, 6 plus 5, 6. Because the denominator are same, you just write the denominator. The numerator are different. We plus it. 1 plus 5, 6. 6/6 become 1 whole unit. It also apply into the subtraction. For example, if I take 1 from the whole unit, I have 4/4 minus 3. I take 1 just now. Because the denominator are same. 4 minus 1, the answer is 3. 3/4. Let's see. I just have this 3/4 left from the whole unit. For the closing, I will call for the activity. I will, because this is very easy. I will give more activity to the students, like a mini game, and also from the activity book. I will give them 5 or 10 questions with 10 minutes for the first 10 students or the first 15 students, and I will give the highest score. That's all for the math. Thank you, sir.
And this one, in part B and part C about this one, they talk about this one. In the taking cap, page 220, maybe you can check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you mentioned about if C had 3/5 of an apple pie, C ate 1/5 of it. What percent of the apple pie does C have left? How do you know use fraction bars to help you? I mean, this thinking cap is actually easy to explain as a teacher. I mean, how do you try to make sure the students really understand about this concept over here? I mean, it means that from this story, we can say, yes, this one you should subtract. Yes, right. You should
Yes,
subtract.
subtract.
I mean, should we provide like the story like this, the question with the story like this to make sure that the students can get
More understanding about it.
yes, kind of better understanding about this lesson.
Yes, sir. I will find some question with the story like this, and then teach the students. Actually, they have learned about this counters. We call this bar as a counter. So they have known how to make the counters of 3/4. Well, a quarter, half, third, or 1/10. They already learned. They have known about that. So from if there is an activity about the story, we will use these counters. So they will get easier to understand about this and subtracting fractions.
Okay. I think as long as you give more exercise, because this one is to be more practice
Yes, sir.
about the addition and subtraction of fraction. Thank you.